Look at this shape carefully. Now look at these three shapes that it becomes if you turn it to one side or the other. One of these three is, again, an odd one out. Can you spot it? Time is ticking. If you chose shape C as the odd one out, congratulations! You've passed this test. Look at it once again. The red square here at the end is missing, while shapes A and B are perfectly fine. Attention is the key.
Hey guys, welcome to the Logical Math tutorial. Today you are going to participate in MasterChef Junior. Welcome one more time. What are we going to do? Today we will cook a fruit salad. The purpose of this class is to practice addition in a daily life situation. Also, we are going to organize quantities in the value chart, and we're going to solve and practice additions without regrouping. For this activity, we require paper, pencil, eraser, sharpener, and ruler. These are the ingredients for this easy fruit salad. We have 7 ingredients. First, melons, then apples, grapes, pears, bananas, cherries, and oranges. But to get the ingredients, we need to visit the online grocery store. Let's buy the ingredients for our recipe. We are again in the Fresh Direct Market. We have lots of fruits here and we have the prices. Let's see what we are going to do. Let's buy. I'm going to show you an example. The ingredient number 1, melons, cost 33 pesos. Plus ingredient number 2, apples, which cost is 24 pesos. So ingredient number 1 plus ingredient number 2 equals 57 pesos. Now, following this example, you will practice some additions. We will have 9 additions to practice. When you finish, you can watch this video with the recipe for the fruit salad. You can do it at home with the help of your parents. And then you can enjoy it. Thank you guys for being in this class, participating and having a good attitude. This class doesn't require any evidence, and that's it for today. Thank you guys again and see you the next time.